Hello and welcome back to Cars of Sweden. You join me on another wet and windy day here in the west side of Sweden. But if you'd like to follow me downstairs, we'll have a look and see what we've got waiting for us outside. Yeah, that's right, baby. It's the range. So my ride for today is the Range Rover Sport. This is the 2016 model. It's a diesel and it's putting out about 225 brake horsepower. Interior wise, well, it's a Range Rover, so all the luxuries you can imagine. And that goes to say leathers, aircon nav, heated and cooled seats. Very high quality, as you would expect. So all the modern day luxuries of a luxury vehicle. Even got these armrests, passenger and driver's side, just in case the big one in the middle wasn't enough for you. And my favourite feature, this panoramic roof, so we can see how lovely the weather is here in Sweden. Plenty of room in the back. You'll fit 3 grown-ups in there, no problem, and also child friendly. Okay, it's time to get this baby out on the road and let's see how she does. Right, so straight off the bat, I've got to say this is a lovely place to be. I could really get used to being here. I've owned quite a few SUVs in my time, and they all seem to drive quite similar, but this one just does it with a little bit more grace. So we've got a diesel Euro Class 6 engine, and I know right now my cousins in the United States of America are probably running to the hills at the moment, but hold up, because this engine is really, really quiet. It's really efficient, and the car is equipped with double glazed windows. So you'll never know you were driving a diesel engine. And let's face it, it's a Range Rover. Come on. So obviously this is my car. It belongs to a very good friend of mine who's given me the keys for the day. And you know, I could get really used to this. So whether you're in the centre of town or you're on a country lane or even off-road, The Range Rover deals with it easily. Yeah, it's a bucket load of money, but you certainly see where your money's gone when you're driving around in one of these. Now I could imagine driving across Europe in one of these things and back without any problem whatsoever. Now you can talk about off-road capabilities all you like, but this is the king. Which means you can select whatever surface you like, and this car will pretty much deal with it. But here's a nice little party trick. Let's check out the self-leveling system. So I know there's many SUVs to choose from, and some are faster, sportier, some look more aggressive, some have better handling maybe. But only one of them does it all, because only one of them has ever been the blueprint, and that's the Range Rover.